In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for changes in Microsoft Loop. Let's set expectations first. Microsoft Loop does not currently send automatic alerts for every single edit someone makes to a page or component. The most reliable way Loop triggers notifications right now is when someone mentions you or leaves a comment that involves you. When that happens, you should see it in your Microsoft 365 activity feed, in your Teams activity if the Loop content is shared in Teams, and by email. So, if you need to be notified about something specific, encourage your collaborators to use @mentions on the part of the page or component where they need your attention. Now, let's make sure you actually see those alerts wherever they appear. If your Loop page or component is being used in Microsoft Teams, start by opening Teams and going to the Activity tab, the bell icon on the left. Check your filters to ensure that @mentions and Loop-related comments are being included. If those are filtered out, you won't see the alerts you expect. Next, open Teams Settings and go to Notifications. Confirm that mentions and replies are turned on for banners and feed, not just the feed. This helps you catch important updates in real time. If you use Teams on mobile, it's also worth checking your device notification settings to allow Teams alerts so you don't miss mentions when you're away from your computer. For task-related updates, Loop can sync tasks to Microsoft Planner and To Do. When a Loop task is connected and shows up in To Do, you'll receive task assignment and reminder notifications as long as notifications are enabled in the To Do app settings. Open Microsoft To Do, head to Settings, and make sure notifications for assignments, due dates, and reminders are on. If you prefer email reminders for tasks, check your Outlook notification preferences and ensure the app is allowed to send notifications on your device. A quick tip to make all of this work better. Build a team habit of using @mentions whenever you need someone's attention in Loop. Mentions are the trigger that consistently generates alerts across Microsoft 365, Teams, and email. Also, if you rely heavily on tasks, verify that a task created in Loop appears in To Do, that confirms the sync and ensures you'll get reminders. To recap, Loop won't notify you about every change automatically, but by enabling Teams activity and notification settings, using @mentions, and turning on To Do task alerts, you can reliably stay informed about the updates that matter most.